Good morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. I have got a new tool, and it's this one. This is a 1/2-inch drive impact tool by Milwaukee. I've been kind of upgrading or moving over from Ryobi tools to Milwaukee tools. Milwaukee does own the Ryobi company, and I really need this, and I need one other tool I haven't got yet. That'll be a new video. But what I thought would be fun, well, first off, let me show you what this comes with. It comes with the impact gun, 2 batteries, a 4 amp and a 2 amp, a charger and a bag. All right. So I charged these batteries up fully already. I have another charger right there. I use that charger. I don't know. I probably don't need to put this one up. Although I just noticed something different. You see how shallow this place where you put the battery is? Shallow, and I've got it mounted on a wall. And this one is nice and deep. So as you put the battery in there, it's going to hold it a lot better. This charger will hold it better than that charger. That charger, the weight of the battery could put a little stress on the contacts. So I think I will put this one up on the wall too. Anyway, a little side note. There's your 4 amp, and that's your 2 amp. Whoop. Does it say it somewhere? Oh yeah, there it is. Focus, 2 amp. So, back to this. I have for years used the air tool. That's an Ingersoll Rand. It's very solid. 500 foot-pounds is the rating on it. I know they have bigger ones now. They have like 1,000, but I don't really need it. This is what I was using to do lug nuts, not to break them loose or not to tighten them all the way, but just to spin them. I was using this hex impact driver with that adapter. But I don't think that's bueno, because even though I'm not abusing it, I'm still this anvil. This part is called the anvil. It's not meant for 1/2-inch drive sockets. So anyway, that one will go back to being used for its correct purposes. Okay, so before we start the test, there are different settings on the battery-powered tool as far as revolutions per minute. So I'm going to use the fastest one. The settings are right here on the top. Okay, and that last one is an automatic shut-off. I'm not exactly sure how that works, because you can't set the torque, I don't believe, on the machine. So maybe it's maximum if it reaches 250, it's an automatic shut-off. That may be what that does. Anyway, we'll set that on 3. This one I think varies the power with how far you pull the trigger. Usually on most of these impact tools, reverse is full power, because you don't need to be careful when you're reversing, or as careful when you're reversing a fastener off. But what I just thought would also be fun is I'll compare the 2 batteries on this one. So we'll have 3 tests. The air tool, the bigger battery, and the smaller battery. And I'm not going to try and time them, but you guys and gals can do your own timing as you watch me do the test. Okay? Okay, so I just ran the compressor. I ran the air tool so the compressor came up to full pressure. And it might come on during the removal of the lug nut, but I don't think it will. So these are set to 95 foot-pounds, and they're lubricated, so that's why it's a little less than what the factory recommended torque is. All right, so here we go in reverse, and first one, 3, 2, 1. All right, and here is the Milwaukee, and it's on full speed with the big battery. 3, 2, 1. All right. We'll remove that battery. And last one is the Milwaukee with the small battery. Ready? 3, 2, 1. All right. Pretty good. I mean, I think I'll have to review the film myself, actually. I think the IR air tool was faster, but I am impressed with the Milwaukee. Plenty of power to get off a lug nut. I'll put these all back on and torque them, so don't worry about that. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notification. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye. Happy Friday.